With just a few prompts, you can create stunning generative images, videos, and audio all in one place with Hedra AI. Hello everyone, I'm Thomas, and today we're exploring Hedra AI, a personal studio that lets you generate and mix media like never before. Whether you're an artist, marketer, or hobbyist, Hedra AI turns your ideas into eye-catching content instantly. This video is split into timestamps, so feel free to skip ahead if you want to jump to a specific part. What is Hedra AI? Hedra AI is an all-in-one platform for creating generative images, videos, and audio. It's designed to help users produce unique, engaging content without needing advanced technical skills. From abstract art to dynamic video clips, Hedra AI's tools let you experiment and innovate in a single workspace. How is Hedra AI working? Hedra AI combines multiple generative AI models to streamline content creation. Input prompts: describe your vision, e.g., a surreal forest with glowing trees and floating orbs. AI processing: the platform uses advanced algorithms to generate images, animate scenes, or compose audio based on your input. Customization: adjust colors, styles, and effects using intuitive sliders and presets. Export and share: download your creations in high resolution or share them directly to social platforms. Price: Hedra AI offers a free trial to explore its features. For full access, subscription plans include Basic $15 a month, HD exports 10 projects a month, Pro $40 per month, 4K resolution, unlimited projects, priority support. Visit hedra.com for the latest pricing and seasonal discounts. That's Hedra AI, your creative playground for generative art. If you're curious about specific features or collaboration tools, ask in the comments. Subscribe for more AI insights, and I'll see you next time.